Shanghai Tops Group Company Limited, established in 2011, is a professional supplier which supplies powder packing machine, mixing machine, capping machine, labeling machine, and turnkey packaging project. The machines are widely used in the industry of food, chemical, pharmaceutical, and agriculture. Tops Group is located in Shanghai City, with convenient international transportation access. There are many international flights from the worldwide every day. We have professional servicing team with more than 5 years working experience, so we are always capable to offer you most professional proposals and ensure full customer satisfaction. Also, our partner factory has excellent engineering team. They improve TOPS machines technology year by year. Hence, the machines have obtained CE certificates and many patents on the machine's technology. Because of the reliable product quality and considerable customer service, Tops machines are exported to more than 80 countries and regions, such as America, Europe, Australia, Asia, and Africa, and the machine's parts have UL CSA certificate, which totally meets U.S. and Canada's customers' requirements. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Due to the strict quality control, fast delivery, considerate customer service, and customized design, Tops machines are more and more popular in the world. Many customers have been Tops agents in their region. Welcome to visit Tops Group in Shanghai. Welcome to join in Tops Group. Look forward to develop together with people all over the world and from different industries.